Hey guys, so I haven't filmed a vlog in a very long time, but today I am going to be seeing Kendrick Lamar. In a bit I'm going to be headed to the train station and I'm going to meet my friend in London. Yeah, this time I didn't forget my tickets. Last time I went to a concert, I went back home, I forgot my Bryson Tiller tickets at university and it was a disaster. What I was originally going to wear, I kind of just ordered something online. No one was here to, you know, open the door for my package, so I'm wearing something else. But anyways, yeah, so I'm going to head to the train station now and see you guys in a bit. Hello!
Oh, hello. Okay, so I have a question. Okay. After we cross the road. Okay. How we meet? How we meet? Yes. Upper school, year 9. We had... Okay, shut up. Okay, so today... Okay, so hello.
Okay, so we're gonna go into the Temple of Happy to eat. And yeah. This is Monica.
Hello.
And let's eat.
We're at the Temple of Hackney.
And what does this specializing in?
It specializes in vegan food, vegan chicken.
I got chicken popcorn and macaroni and cheese, and supposedly this is probably it's like really good vegan food. And like last time she went, she waited how long in the line?
It was like an hour.
Yeah, and there's no line, so you know. Yeah,
Can I tell you what I got?
Yeah.
I got mac and cheese, popcorn bites, and I got the burger.
Ooh, nice. Okay, so we're now going to another vegan spot. What is it called?
It's called Dough Society. They have vegan donuts and coffee, and I'm really excited. And chocolate brownie, and I got a turmeric latte.
Oh yeah, I forgot you got a drink.
Yeah.
But I got pecan praline.
Oh, that's nice. So cute. It's really turmeric. Yeah.
And then I got a caramel Boston.
Ooh, that sounds nice. That sounds
Yeah. We are now in the hotel room. So we got a hotel room because I'm going back to university. The last train back to Canterbury would already been gone. Might as well get a hotel and make a day out of it tomorrow as well. This is the hotel. Oh, bathroom door. Hello.
Oh, hello.
So bathroom. We're staying at the Holiday Inn. So
It wasn't. It's Premier Inn.
it's Holiday Inn. Shut up.
It's Premier.
Shut up. Yep. Got a little sofa. Yep. Cool. Oh, I want to give you presents.
Oh yeah. Wait, let me wash my hands.
Let's go something.
It is called a thermal, and you need it. Oh, I'm lovely. What is this? At least I can be like happy birthday. Oh, I like it. It's changing mode. Oh, I probably finish this by tomorrow.
I got this.
I got this. Okay, that is also chocolate. Yeah. Why are you being surprised? Oh, it's just chocolate. Oh, dark chocolate. Yes, you know. I like this. I like this. Oh, thank you.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
I got this.
I got this.
Oh, you got this? Oh, I want to know how that is. I was confused. I didn't know this one or the other one, but I thought this one nicer for the skin. Oh, okay. It's funny.
I got this.
Why lie?
So I got this.
Magic show. Jazz hands.
On the screen. Oh no, never mind.
The second reveal. The third snatching.
Total style works. Find the glow. Don't waste.
I'm so full.
Oh, hello.
What you do?
I eat.
I know.
Din din.